Hey guys, Naturally Cindy here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my high puff. So first, I'm going to be starting off by just spraying my hair with water. Then I'm just going to make sure to spray down the front of my hair, my edges area. Next, I'm going in with the Eco Styler gel. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil version. And I'm just going to put it around my edges. And I'm also gonna apply some to the back. Next, I'm just brushing my hair up. Brush it up in an upward motion, just making sure that everything lays nice and flat. So after I brush my hair up, I like to just go back and stretch my hair out because it shrinks when I add the water in. So I just go around my whole head and I just kind of stretch my hair out with my hands. Then I'm gonna take this green shoestring that I use. It's the only thing that really gets my puff nice and neat. Once the shoestring is around my head, I kind of just pull the back up and I just make sure that the shoestring is nice and secure so that I can hold the puff up. And you can kind of play with it to see like how big you want your puff. This is where you can make the size of your puff. Once I got it the size I wanted, I just go in the back and I tie it, and then I bring it to the front and I tuck it in. Okay, this is my favorite part. This is where I can control how big my puff is. I just kind of stretch it out with my hands just to give it that size and that fluff and give it that extraness and fullness that I love when I'm rocking my high puff. So my next step is to throw on some hoop earrings just to accessorize a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.